Hi, Bean Beauties. Dee Dee Bean here. How you doing? Thank you so much for joining me today. I have another Goodwill Finds unboxing. Don't mind hitting that subscribe button, hitting that like button, leaving me a comment, letting me know how I'm doing, letting me know how you're doing, how you're liking the content. I greatly appreciate it. I so appreciate you spending some time here. So today, what I have for you is a Furla unboxing. A brand that I didn't know anything about until I learned it from, I found it and discovered it through watching Eva from Fuchsia Floyd. So it's her fault. And she had this cool, funky looking bag that she got. So I hadn't been able to find something as cool as hers, but you know, I said, let me give the brand a try and see how that goes. Oh my goodness, they just squished it up. Look at that. Okay, hope that it's okay. Tie it in a knot here. Let's see if I can get it undone. Well, you're gonna have to just tear the plastic. Yeah, there we go. And this is called, it said that it's an authentic Furla woman's blue outer pocket single semi-chain strap shoulder bag. I think they just throw the whole description in there, hoping that somewhere that you'll find the name of the brand, the name of the purse. It says it's blue. You know, they say that there must be somebody colorblind when they're doing this, because it does not, well, okay. All right, maybe this one's blue. Maybe this one's blue. This is kind of neat. There you go. Here's the front. This is definitely a top handle bag. Let me zip it up so it has a little bit of, yeah, let's see. I mean, I guess it would work as a shoulder bag. Yeah, it'll work as a shoulder bag. Yeah, it's not too far up, and I guess it just depends on what I keep carrying it that day. But here's the front of the bag, and here's the side. Here's the back. Other side, there's the bottom, and it's just a very squishy bag, and it has, let's see, how does this work? Okay, so it looks like it's a belt, but it has a snap to get into it. See there, like that, and nice roomy pockets. And then so it has another one too, nice roomy pocket. You know, great to put some I don't know, my cell phone might fit in there, but you could put some Kleenexes, hand sanitizer, that kind of stuff in there. And then on the pull, the chain zipper pull. Sorry, on the zipper pull it says Furla. Does it have it? Yeah, it says Furla on the zipper pull. And then it's just a big old bag. You know, it does have a back zipper pocket back here. And does it have a front pocket? I can't see. Yes, it has one teeny tiny front pocket here. And you know, it kind of reminds me of a Fendi Mia bag, a little bit. Not, you know, kind of has that shape. Let's see, how's the smell? No, the smell, it doesn't have a bad smell. It smells like air conditioning. That's what it smells like an air, you know, when you have air conditioning, that's what it smells like. That's kind of a neat purse. And it says that it's blue, but I could swear that it's black. She's comfy. She's very comfy. So I definitely can see why they squished her up. And it didn't hurt. It didn't hurt her any. It's in very good shape. I was trying to see if there's any worn pieces anywhere or any worn. The strap back here comes all the way around the bottom. So it's part of the bottom. And this one does well too. It doesn't come off because it's attached to the magnetic here, and also these here say Furla, and there's also branding right here that says Furla, but very subdued, and I like these. That's one of the things that caught my eye. Coach does that, you know, has the little interlocking chains, but they have some character, so I like that. And it's silver on the silver side. So I thought it was a black purse, but it says blue, but it's like a navy, just dark navy. So can you tell? No. So it's a big purse as far as what it can carry, but it's small and compact enough to where it won't bother me. And as long as I watch what I put in it, it should be okay. Because that's the problem what I was finding is if I bought a bigger purse or like this one that can hold more, then your tendency is to add more. And I still have to make sure that if I use handbags that I don't get in the habit of overloading it. And if I still have to carry my card tote for the extra stuff that I need, then that's fine. I've been doing that for over 10 years, so you know I don't have to change that. This my bid for this was $22.51. The tax was $3.27. Shipping was $12.18. The handling was $5, so total $42.96. I'd buy that any day, all day long. Thank you very much for coming by to see me. And so now I have 3 items from Furla. And if you haven't seen the other videos, please look for the other videos. I'll try to link it below. And don't forget to leave me a like, subscribe, and leave me a comment. Let me know if you know the Furla brand, if you've seen Eva's channel, and if you have any questions. Alrighty, thank you, love you, bye bye.